Hey guys, welcome to the Able Sisters, and we got a squishy package. And let's get started into the video.
As you heard her say, we have a squish. Wait.
Sis, we were just getting the mail. A package. Come on, let's open it.
Smells like kind of like fruit or something. Let's open it. Whoa.
Okay, look at
A popcorn.
a tooth.
Be our guest ice cream thing. A tooth. A really hard pineapple. What does it smell like? That smells good. What does this one smell like? What does this smell like? Oh, that tooth stinks. This is a baby squishy.
Oh, here's another one.
This one's more slow.
Here is the.
This one's more slow rising. This is more. They both smell like fruit. Oh, what's this one? This must be an extra. We didn't get this one yet. We've never seen this squishy anywhere. Usually everywhere we go, we find a few. Cupcake. Usually wherever we go, we see like squishies in most places, but we never seen a few little squishy.
This one is the
Little
best.
Babies or squishies are so cute. Now what? Are you peeling it?
No.
Stop if you're peeling it. Now we're doing poking into the squishies. Watch his little poke holes pop back up. The little face of that cute little baby. Cute little baby. Yeah.
I can't tell which one's mine.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, but this really wasn't a squishy package video. You got pranked. If you didn't know, that was a Under Armour box, if you didn't notice it at first. I'm pretty sure you did because of this Under Armour symbol when we grabbed it.
Come on, let's go do something else.
But, goodbye guys. Hensley, wave with them.